Hi feathers, so in today's video we're making jollof rice. First of all, I'm going to fry my onions with tomato paste. This is just to remove the sourness from the paste. And then I added some grinded tomato pepper mix, adding some bay leaf, curry, thyme, salt, seasoning, my really own jollof rice spice, some paprika, and then ginger and garlic paste. Give that a good stir and cover until it is well fried. This is very critical in making jollof rice as your base needs to be perfect. So here I'll add in my washed rice. I wash this rice with hot water and salt, making sure I remove all the starch, stirred everything well. I added water, enough water that will cook your rice to like 70% done. So cover that and allow it to cook. Here my rice is almost done. I added some butter and then cover again for another I think 15 minutes and my rice is ready. Jollof rice is basically steamed to perfection. That's why I say you need to add water to cook the rice for about 70% and then the 30% will be done by steaming process. So this is how my jollof looks like. I fry some plantain alongside and yeah, that's it. Have you registered for my online class? If you haven't, well, registration is still on.